Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make gao. Gao is traditionally made on Chinese New Year. In Hawaii, going down Chinatown, you'll see a lot of these being sold out on the streets. Here are the following ingredients. If you can't find the Chinese SLAB sugar, you could always use brown sugar. First, bring a pot with water to a boil. Once it has started to boil, carefully add in the sugar slabs. Turn the heat down to a simmer and let the sugar dissolve over time. After all of the sugar has been dissolved, remove it from the heat and let it cool down completely. Next, in a large bowl with Mochiko flour, create a small well in the middle. Using a ladle, pour in some of the syrup to the well and mix it until all of the syrup is used up. By cooling the syrup, it helps prevent any lumping in the mixture. Creating a well in the Mochiko flour helps control how much of the flour gets mixed into the syrup, and it also prevents lumping. Then, add in the oil and mix it well. Because it is a sticky treat, make sure to generously grease a round 7-inch and 3-inch deep pan. Pour the mixture into the pan. Bring a steamer to a boil. Make sure it is deep enough to add in the pan. Let it steam for 4 hours. After it has finished steaming, remove it from the steamer and begin to garnish it with a red date and sesame seeds. Be sure to gobble it all up before it starts to expire in a couple of days. Enjoy this onolicious gao with your family and friends as you celebrate the new year. If you enjoy this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!